Welcome to the Lily by Design Homes. It's currently available for sale in the Soraya Farms neighborhood. At just under 2,300 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is sure to check all your boxes. Let's go check it out. Off the entry is access to 2 of the spacious bedrooms as well as your full bath. As we make our way further through the entry, you're going to find access to your powder room, your garage, your built-in mud bench, and the laundry. You're sure to fall in love with this nice open floor plan, but first, let's check out what the kitchen has to offer. We have a beautiful large island with quartz countertops, plenty of two-tone cabinetry, and behind this door, you're going to find a super spacious pantry. You're sure to enjoy a cozy evening in on the couch, looking at your beautiful gas fireplace with floor-to-ceiling tile and this gorgeous wooden mantle. The primary bedroom has large windows to let in ample natural lighting, and your primary ensuite has the most beautiful tiled shower. Let's take a look. We've added a modern touch to this home with the open railing that leads to your walkout landing. And in the basement of this home, while it is unfinished, it is fully plumbed for a full bath and wet bar and laid out for you to expand the space or design the entertainment area of your dreams. One more notable feature about this home that you're not going to want to miss are the Allure blinds that have just been installed all throughout. So come out, check out this home in Soraya Farms. We're open daily, noon to 6, and let's fall in love with your new home.